Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. I am a wife. I am the godmom of Jeremiah and Gregory. I am a career woman, and I also have 2 YouTube channels. You guys, I am passionate about each and every one of these things, but my YouTube channels is what gives me the opportunity to share with the world what I am passionate about. Now, my Fit Fab 50 channel was created because you guys, life in your 30s, 40s, and 50s do not look the same as it did when we were younger. So I wanted to share with the world exactly what life actually does look like in your 50s, and to let everyone know, okay, just because it's not the same doesn't mean that it still can't be fabulous. You guys, our hair is not the same, our skin is not the same, our weight is not the same. So because of that, we have got to make some modifications so that we can be the best that we possibly can be. And on this channel, I thrive to bring you exactly that. You'll find some exercise videos, you'll find some skincare videos, you'll find some hair videos, and you will find some recipes that I have been following because, again, life is not the same and our bodies are not the same. So we have to make some changes so that we can accommodate those things, but we still can find things, okay, that will keep us focused and satisfied. So I'm glad that you're all joining me here today. I'm so excited to be on this journey, and I'm even more excited because you're on this journey with me as well. Thank you, you guys, and I'll see you soon in upcoming videos.